What's up, guys? Mr. Lentz. I just want to show you a way to use your number line that you have at home that you made, or the digital math tool we've added to your Math Canvas page to be able to help you add integers. So on my page, I have a button that says Digital Math Tools right here. So if I click on that, it'll take you to the shared math. There we go. Math Tools page. Mrs. Alley, Mrs. Snyder, and myself all use the same doc. So if you click on this top one right here for the number line, it'll open it up. And now what I'm about to show you on here, you can also just do on your number line you made that sits hopefully on your desk in front of you. So when you open this though, just make sure you hit start at about like negative, let's say 12. And make sure you're on whole numbers. Spacing is kind of up to you, but the more you space it, the less numbers you can see. So I'll stay with that one. Done. So here's 0 right here. So let's say I came up with a problem here that was, let's go with 4 plus negative 7. Okay, so I'll leave it right there so we can see it. I wouldn't mind it being bigger, but I don't think that's allowed on here. So what we do is we always start at 0. And if you take this pencil right here, I choose a straight line. You can change the color here. I'm going to start with, let's say, blue. So we start at 0, and we're going to positive 4. So we're going to click on 0. I go right above the number line, and we go to positive 4. So now we're at positive 4. Plus, we're adding on negative 7. Negatives are this direction. So we're not going to go back to 0 and go 7. Instead, we're going to stay at 4, and we're going to go 7. So let me change my color real quick to show you that we're now here, and we're going to go 7 negative, so this direction. If you paid attention to the absolute value, you know that it's 4 back to 0 because the absolute value of 4 is 4. So here's 4, 5, 6, 7. So now I know my answer is, oh, my bad. Let's see if this works. There we go. Negative 3. So 4 plus negative 7 equals negative 3. Now, if I gave you another one real quick that had 2 negatives, just to show you. Let's say my new problem, here, let's actually show you a little, you can clear all right here. There we go. Now, if I were to say my new problem was negative 3 plus negative 5. That up here. Oh, look, I can make it bigger. Ha! You learn as you go. Then we're going to say, we'll start with blue. Okay, so we're always start at 0 and negative 3. So we're going to go to negative 3. Now we're at negative 3 and we're adding negative 5, which means we're going negative. So we're still going to go the same direction, but we're starting at negative 3. So we're still where we are, and we're going to go 5 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is like saying, I owe you $3. I borrowed 3. I'm adding to it, which means I came back and asked you for more money. So I now owe you. You gave me 3. You gave me 5. I owe you. Let me switch my colors real quick because it's cool. I owe you $8. Owing means negative. So my answer is negative 3 plus negative 5 is negative 8. Again, you can use this on your number line. You could use your whiteboard. If you turn it over to the grid side, you could set this up to be your number line if you wanted to. If you got colors, so you could do what I'm doing with colored markers. Or you can use the app. Good luck.